I fully intended to spend this month writing my book. Instead, I'm spending my time packing my life into boxes. It's bittersweet. I have no idea what is happening next, and I'll try my best to show up here even in this time of uncertainty. I started this year knowing something like this was in the cards, and this entire year was making plans but being flexible with them. And I think I did a decent job at that. I also have more patience with myself as a result, and I'm better at knowing when it's time to push towards a goal and when it's time to take a step back. It's not easy to put down your roots when you know you will have to uproot your life every few years. And I can see why my stories often have this theme of belonging. Anyway, this uncertainty is the reason I have been putting off working on my book, instead gravitating towards working on things that I can finish easier and faster. That means things like this YouTube channel get my attention in favor of the longer term and much harder tasks like writing a book. Finishing this book is incredibly important to me though. So is taking time to be there, fully present with my family as we navigate these uncertain times. I've lost momentum on my writing, and that's why I was so excited to take part in NaNoWriMo. I know the only way to get back to writing and my manuscript is to make it the focus and treat it as the important project that it is. I also know that it's not possible to keep making videos and writing a book and moving all at the same time. I need to take some things off my plate, and unfortunately, my book is the first to be put aside. You'll also see some changes on this channel. This channel and this community brings so much joy to me, and it's hard to put it aside. I might still pop into your feed here and there. There are a lot of videos pre-recorded and scheduled, but since I don't know where I'll be or for how long I'll not have access to my stuff, this camera, my computer, things here on this channel will stagger a little. It feels a little scary to take a break from this because I have given so much of my time and energy. I'm constantly thinking, will anyone still be around to watch, listen, read when I come back? I don't know. It's scary, but I think it's also good. I don't have any excuse to spend any and all the free bits of time I'll have to sit with my manuscript, going back to how I started writing in the small pockets of time on my phone. I'll tell you all about it when I come back, wherever that is from. Until then, happy writing, and I'll see you in the next one.